add Soundboard to Discord server. First, open up your Discord app on your desktop or mobile device. Now head over to your server. Then click on the server name. Now select server settings from here. From the left menu, click Soundboard. Now click Upload Sound. Click Browse beside Upload a Sound and choose the sound file you want. Now hold Ctrl to trim the audio shorter or longer. Then add sound name, emoji, and then set your volume level. Make sure that the file size isn't too big. If the sound is too long, the upload option will be gray. Trim until the button looks blue, then click Upload. Now go back to your server, join any voice channel, click Open Soundboard, select your sound to play it. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.